more veggies. Hi friends, happy Thanksgiving. So I know, what is a Thursday video? Maya doesn't do Thursday videos. Maya also hasn't done consistency. So Maya's doing consistency. So I'm actually filming this on Wednesday, the night before Thanksgiving, because I figured a lot of what I make for Thanksgiving dinner, a lot of people seem to love, but a lot of people are also very intrigued by. Because hi, I'm a vegan who can't have gluten. They thought it was celiac disease, but now it might be something else. But I'm a vegan who can't have gluten and is allergic to avocados. So everyone's like, what do you even eat? And then all my friends, when they try what I make, are obsessed. So I figured, why not show y'all? And yes, I cook everything the night before, because that way Thanksgiving morning rolls around and I can relax. So if it looks like I'm crying, I'm not. I mean, like, I am, because I've been chopping up onions, but like, I'm not crying, just onions. So what am I making for Thanksgiving dinner? So I am making a vegan gluten-free stuffing, a vegan gluten-free loaf, sort of like a meatloaf, but meatless meatloaf. And the only thing that I think is actually waiting until tomorrow to make, we are making yellow summer squash for the veggie. I'm also probably making these Italian potatoes. Not 100% certain if I'm making them or not, but I'm like 99% certain. My only dilemma is that we had everything out, ready to go, and then we realized we used vegan bacon for the meatless meatloaf that never made its way out of the freezer. 10 out of 10 item, by the way, discontinued, very upset. If Hooray Foods ever feels like coming back, hi, your vegan bacon is my favorite thing on this planet. But so now if that doesn't thaw by the end of tonight, then I have to wait until tomorrow to make the loaf. But the stuffing takes quite a lot of time, and that's what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all about this stuffing. I did in fact get it from Jenna Marbles and Julian Salamita a few years back. And it's been a hit with everybody that's tried it ever since. Now the true key to this stuffing is using the Everything Bagel Thins. That is the A++ here. We don't use croutons, we don't use stale bread, we don't do anything like that. We use Everything Bagel Thins, and Odo's are 10 out of 10, the best. Hi Odo's, I love you. These are the piece de resistance. The stuffing would not be what it is without Everything Bagel Thins. Tossing some Beyond sausage into the mix. Normally we use the spicy sausage, but given that for Thanksgiving we're going to be with my friend and her family, including 2 kids, I don't know what their spice tolerance is, so we got the sweet Italian sausages this time.
You were so numb, I was indifferent. Told me you found somebody who listens. Good for you both. I think I'll go.
The stuffing is in the oven. We pretty much set it for 350, put it in for like an hour, and then we just check on it, and then we keep adding more time to it if it's not ready yet. Now I'm working on the meatless meatloaf. So we got 2 blocks of Impossible in here, and right now I am breaking up little gluten-free versions of saltines, the Char brand, because they save my life very frequently. This is pretty much literally the same meatloaf recipe that I've had my entire life. I pretty much took my mom's old meatloaf recipe and I just changed a few things to it to make it fit my dietary restrictions. So what are all of y'all doing for Thanksgiving? I personally am having Thanksgiving with one of my best friends. It's gonna be me, my friend Kelsey, her husband, her 2 kids, and my fiance, all doing Thanksgiving together. I'm very excited. What about you? Tell me down below what your Thanksgiving plans were. What are you guys having for Thanksgiving dinner?
You were so numb, I was indifferent. Told me you found somebody who listens. Good for you both. I think I'll go back.
And then we mix. but I absolutely hate getting loaf under my nails. Hey, bub, will you mix?
I'll try to feel like I felt yesterday, make my world a better place. I'll throw myself in therapy, I'll meet you as a better me.
The best measuring cups for liquids are mason jars. No, floor veggies are not for pips.
We were so young.
Can we all thank my amazing fiance for doing that for me, because I hate the texture of this. He's the best. Now is the one we've been waiting for, friends. The bacon has thawed. Opening the bacon was not an easy task. I will tell you that. Oh no. In the thawing process, everything sort of melted together. We're gonna see how this goes, because this is not the texture that this bacon normally is. And it doesn't even want to come out of the package. It literally melted. The bottom is now lined with whatever glumps of vegan bacon I could get out. I say glumps just because it didn't thaw well. And now we're scooping the impossible mixture on top of it. And the most important part that I'm not sure how well it's gonna work. Growing up, we always lined the top of meatloafs with more bacon. So I'm pretty much taking whatever I can left from the bacon crumbles and just putting that on top and seeing how it goes. All right, and it may be the most unappetizing pre-cooked meatloaf I've ever seen, but I'm really hoping that it tastes just as good as it does when the faux bacon doesn't look absolutely obliterated like that. And now we go on to potatoes.
I let you down when it really mattered. I dropped the ball, but you let it shatter. I'll let you go somehow. I'll grow to feel like
And the potatoes are done. Oh, so freaking good, guys. So good. Well, friends, looks like that's it for tonight. My loaf, we're just gonna toss in the oven in the morning. And by we, I mean my fiance, because I'm exhausted and I'm gonna sleep late. Hi, it's Thanksgiving morning and my loaf is done and it's sliced. The baconed. Didn't look as nice as it normally does, but we work with what we got. Hopefully it still tastes the same. I do still have to make squash tomorrow, but that's not gonna be hard. Literally just basic yellow squash, slice it up, olive oil, bacon in the oven. That's pretty much it. But yeah, this is pretty much the entire plan for Thanksgiving dinner. And then, oh wait, I did get the best drink to go with it. I got the cranberry poppy, and anyone that knows anything about me knows that I am completely hooked on poppy. It's a ridiculous obsession, slightly a problem. I may or may not have checked every grocery store in my area multiple times since this poppy was announced, trying to find it. Only finally found it today, the day before Thanksgiving. Thank you for keeping me company while I cook. I hope that y'all have a great Thanksgiving. If you aren't in the US and you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you just have a great day. Eat lots of yummy food. Also, I would like to point out, I know a lot of people are opposed to celebrating Thanksgiving for the same reason they're opposed to celebrating Columbus Day and things like that. To that I say, yes, Columbus killed everyone. He took over this land. I'm not saying that the first Thanksgiving was a good thing, but what it's become now is mostly just spending time with family and people that you love and being grateful, and it kind of has nothing to do with its origins. So that's why I say have a great Thanksgiving. Thank you for joining me. Let me know down below what your favorite part of Thanksgiving dinner is, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold. So cold.